So the first part of informational is to add the main idea. Okay, the purpose. What else comes?
The main idea has details.
How is it going in here?
Okay. Explain details.
Okay, good. I think you're on the right track.
Yes.
Yes. Where do you think sensory details will go?
After resolution.
No.
Explain.
Think about it. How is it going in here?
Okay. I think this is wrong.
Okay. I love it how you're building it.
With examples? No.
Do you think examples comes okay? Yes, then I give a fact and I explain use examples for it.
With
Okay.
transition. Wait.
Where do you think transition words will go?
Main idea.
Here.
Do you think details comes here? Or I can begin like this. Explain.
Details.
Details should come with the main idea.
Uh-huh.
Oh.
Yes.
Details and examples.
Uh-huh. How is it? You're done? So it begins with the tell a story. I have my characters. Plot, beginning, middle, end, introduction. So I'm gonna tell you how I would look at it. I would think, tell a story. Can I move it? Let me build it.
Captions.
Tell a story. Remember, when we tell a story, we begin with setting and characters, right? Then what do we have?
Where's the transition?
What do we have? Plot. What are the parts of my plot?
The rising action.
Exactly, introduction, rising actions. Okay, what else?
Dialogue.
No. Conflict. And we don't have resolution. Now, this, where do you think dialogue will go?
And teachers should be at the end.
That's when it gets heated, right? And the character sharing, okay? So plot is my beginning, middle, and end, goes in here. Okay, sensory details, where do I use it? To describe what?
Setting.
My setting. Sequential events, they're part of my beginning, middle, and end. And where does my conclusion go? What do you think now? Does it make sense to you?